my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to connect across time and space. I'm happy that you would join me today. If you're feeling stressed out, upset with yourself, angry at circumstance, insecure, lonely, tired, feeling like you can't stop thinking about something, your emotions have been numb, feeling disassociated or perhaps even joyful. No matter what you feel in this moment, it's okay. We're gonna take some deep breaths and see if we can come home to ourself, to our awareness, which goes beyond the pain, the anxiety, the self-hatred, the shame, the disappointment, which goes beyond all of that. If you're having a hard day, remember that this too shall pass. That we can't hold on to our pain, even if we wanted to. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be upright, aware, becoming aware of your space, aware of how you feel, aware of this present moment. You can gently close the eyes, tuning deeper into your inner space. Putting the past to the side, putting the future to the side. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing your belly, relaxing your hands and feet. Aware of your posture. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, letting go. Releasing tension in the face by bringing a subtle smile. Inhaling more love for yourself. And exhale, letting go of self-hatred. Feeling self-hatred leave the mind, leave the body. As you come back into forgiveness for any mistakes that have been made. Having compassion for mistakes. Breathing in strength. And exhale, feeling grounded. Breathing in trust. And exhaling, letting go of self-doubt. Believing in yourself. Believing in the unfolding of life. As you breathe in out. Every cell in your body breathing in and breathing out, softening the chest. Loosening your body, feeling your whole body loose, natural. As you breathe into the heart space, and exhaling, releasing tension in the chest. I want you to visualize that your heart is opening and that a very warm energy is pouring into the heart, melting away shame, guilt, frustration, anger. As you come back into a self-appreciation, having forgiveness for yourself. It's okay to not be perfect. Reminding you of that as you breathe in. And exhale, feeling negativity leave the mind, leave the body. Breathing in calm, relaxed energy. And exhale, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing the belly, relaxing your mind, relaxing your heart. As you become aware of your posture, breathing in faith in yourself. Exhale. Softening the face, softening the chest, softening the palms of your hands, feeling relaxed as you let go of the past, let go of the future. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale. With closed eyes, looking inside, witnessing and welcoming all that's inside. Taking a deep breath in and exhaling with awareness. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling, letting go of pain. Feeling pain leave the minds, leave the body, so you come back into joyfulness. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Coming back to trust as every cell in your body breathes in. Breathing out. The color for today is beige. The number is 30. And the animal is a horse. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware of your awareness itself. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top. And exhale. I thank you for joining me today. I hope that this episode has been relaxing for you. I'm sending you a big hug across time and space, wishing you healing for any mistakes that you feel that you've made, any shortcomings, failures, setbacks. Forgive yourself and recognize that it's a new day, a new moment, new opportunities to create, new opportunities to try again. Being persistent and patient with yourself. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.